So there's about 5 things that you want to look at when you're evaluating a market, when you want to make an investment into multifamily in that market. And so we happen to be investing in a deal in Fort Worth right now. And my business partner, who's from Utah, was making a trip to Florida, Tampa, Florida, and meeting some of our other partners that were going to be flying from Dallas to Tampa to evaluate and walk some amazing potential investments. I get a phone call, and I've been also under great anticipation to find out, man, what do these deals look like? And he says to me, he says, man, we're still at the last property, and man, does these things make the Fort Worth deal look like a no-brainer. And so there's a lot of things that have caught my attention about Fort Worth. So what I want to do is I want to tell you why Fort Worth should be on your radar right now if you're a real estate investor looking to invest in multifamily. So the most notable thing about Fort Worth is its population growth. It's the fastest growing city in the US, attracting people from all over the country, appealing to many demographics, everyone from young professionals, families, retirees alike. One of the reasons Fort Worth is attracting so many people is because of the economic growth that's happening. Fort Worth economy is booming, driven by a diverse industry such as aerospace, manufacturing, and technology. And all of these people have to have a place to live. The city's job market is expanding rapidly, attracting a skilled workforce and driving demand for housing. Now, before we get into the rest of this video, make sure if you like content like this that you smash that like button because it helps out the channel tremendously. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already because we put content like this out every single month. And as a thank you for doing that, I'll make sure I do my best to comment on as many comments as possible. The next reason is the affordable real estate market. Despite the growth, Fort Worth real estate markets remain competitively priced, offering great value for investors who are also able to benefit from high rental yields, with strong demands for both single-family homes and multifamily. But what's happening in Fort Worth right now is more than half of the single-family homes are being scooped up by institutional buyers, 52% to be exact. This is having a significant effect on the home prices for single-family buyers who are obtaining financing because they simply can't compete with the institutions who are coming in with all cash. The median home sales price has risen 23% year over year and 51% since 2019 as a result of the aggressive buying from the institutions, which has kept supply low. Now, with the aforementioned population growth Fort Worth is seeing, demand is high, and so many are priced out and are forced to turn to renting. Now, the fourth reason is actually really simple. It's the quality of life that Fort Worth has to offer. You know, Fort Worth is just actually downright cool. And there's a wide range of things that you can do. One day you can go classy, hit the steakhouse and catch a performance at the Bass Hall. The next day you can eat some amazing Tex-Mex at Joe T's and then head over to Billy Bob's for some two-stepping and everything in between. One of the best zoos in the country, by the way, consistently rivaling San Diego for best zoo in the US. And the education and healthcare play into the quality of life in Fort Worth as well. The city boasts excellent educational institution and healthcare facilities, making it a desirable place to live. And finally, significant infrastructure and development projects are transforming the cityscape, continuously improving the connectivity and livability in the city. Fort Worth, well-developed transportation networks make it easy to navigate the city and connect to nearby regions like Arlington and Dallas. Now, with all of that being said, we're currently looking at a deal that is walking distance from Sundance Square downtown. And the good news for us is there is 0 new building permits for multifamily projects downtown, which gives us a minimum of 2 to 3 years runway with no competition. Whether you're an active investor in multifamily or you're new to multifamily, we curate one of the best newsletters in the game called the Multifamily Game. And we bring all the best content of what's going on, new trends, and the things that we're learning and the deals that we're seeing. If you'd like to subscribe to the newsletter, please check the link in the description below and get signed up. It's free and it'll keep you in the know of what's going on and what we're up to.